Look at my dog T. This nigga knocked out. Look. That nigga mouth wide open. Look. That nigga like a real baby. Look at him. Sleep. Nigga legs pulled back to his chest. Look. That's his foot right there. And look where it's at. On his chest. And that's his paw right there. See them paws? I mean, that nigga knocked out. Look at him. Look at his mouth wide open. Like, whoa, boy. Like, what the world, boy. You tired? Boy, I think tired. Wake up, boy. Oh, baby. Nigga mouth wide the fuck open. Like, damn, T. Look at you. Oh. Look at it. Can you play with it? These niggas still not woke. Wake up. Wake up, pit bull.